हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स 1st February 2026 एंड इस साल का पहला व्लॉग इज 26 व्लॉग एंड मेरे साथ मेरा दोस्त अश्मित फिर से आ गया है मेरे व्लॉग पर लाइक अ मिलियन टाइम्स। एंड आज हम जाने वाले एक वॉच एंथुसियास्ट मीट में विच इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय सम वॉच कलेक्टर्स इन कैलकाटा एंड ये मैदान एरिया में होने वाला है। सो लेट्स सी, मैं भी खुद कुछ का एक वॉच में लेके मैं जा रहा हूँ, कुछ वॉच अश्मित भी अपना कुछ वॉचेस वो लेके जा रहे हैं। सोमेश भी आने वाला है कुछ देर में। सो let's go there, let's go to the venue and let's go on क्या क्या watch लेके आया है। So be in this video and do like this video. Friends, we are here at the location. हम लोग आ गए हैं मैदान के एक पार्क में एंड we have a lot of people here जो अपने अपने collections लेके आए हैं. So let's see what they have. And for today on my wrist watch I'm wearing the Casio A168 जो मैंने recently लिया है. और इसके अलावा मेरे बैग में मेरा और कुछ collections है जो आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा. And so friends, we are finally here at the meetup area and as you can see, watch enthusiasts and collectors are here as well. And Ashmit is here eating I don't know what. Okay, something like that. One by one, I'll go to each person and see the collections. So, this is a watch from the brand called Avatar. They are 9 months into the line, and here is Mr. Rajdeep, Mr. Aritra, and they are the team behind this beautiful watch. And चलिए देखते हैं इन्हें कुछ watch collections में ये इनमें से है, and ये है the rest of the watches in their portfolio.
This is a prototype, to be honest. It's not final yet.
Okay.
This is the Victoria Roman. It's one of our most popular collections.
Okay.
This is the Kalighat. Even this too is popular. I mean, the unique factor of it is it's not just cultural, but it's a well-balanced dial too. Like as you can see, it's clean. However, you know the imagery here, it also works. And here's this one. This we have not released yet. This is an Art Deco Emerald.
Okay.
This is the naming we have given since the whole color of the digits and the railroads. These are all in green. I mean, green of this shade, to be honest. This is another prototype. We have not thought of a name yet.
Where did you learn?
I really like these two watches.
And I really like this one also.
A very famous painting of West Bengal. Based on that, this is the watch. We have named it Jagos.
Okay.
This
I mean,
as hence the name Jagojjan.
as I can see, Avatar is trying to bring out the essence and culture of Bengal.
Not just Bengal, to be honest. We
Yeah.
are targeting the whole of India,
India,
maybe
yeah.
the world, to be honest.
Okay.
As you can see, this one.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is something nobody has worked on. This one's name is Creation.
Okay.
This will be out pretty soon. Already we are taking pre-orders because some people saw it in our status and they have already ordered. This one.
Okay.
This one's name is Creation. This one is inspired from the Japanese culture. This is our own design. It's called Nishiki.
It's called.
Nishiki.
Okay, and as I can see, the numbers are in kanji. Nice, nice man. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख के दैट भाई कलकत्ता से भी बहुत सारे नए नए वॉच ब्रांड्स उभर रहे हैं.
This one is inspired from this Art Deco itself. We decided to do it in circular. We are naming it Shankha.
Shankha.
okay.
Sankhya by Avarta.
Okay, Sankhya by Avarta.
Yeah.
What's the inspiration behind this dial and the
See, the inspiration was very simple. The inspiration was actually the Art Deco buildings of West Bengal.
Okay.
Like there are many Art Deco architectures around here. So based on that, we came up with this idea that why not make a dialogue. Initially, it started with this. Now, since many people want it in circular, we have decided to make that option available to via this. Then there's this. Then there's this. As you can see.
So that we can share the passion
show each other.
Are both of these the same with different
No,
bells?
these are different. This one, as you can see, it's green. It's emerald
Okay,
green.
okay,
This one is black.
okay,
And
okay.
this one is the golden.
So ये तीनों ही these are named Shankha. Okay,
These
okay.
are part of the Shankar collection.
Shankha collection. And what about this one?
Which one? This one?
This one, this one.
This one, yeah. This is another prototype for the field watches.
Okay.
This and this. Both of them.
It's a field watches collection from Avatar. Prototypes अभी तक ये release नहीं हुए.
No, they have
So watch out for that. But they're planning to finalize the design and the name, and hopefully बहुत जल्दी हमें ये देखने को मिलेगा on sale. So tell me, Mr. Rasi. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Hey, damn, I really like this one.
Another
This one's name is Dark. It's
dark.
Dark.
Okay.
Dark as in
Dark.
you know, the
Dark.
stamp.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
In
Post.
Bengali,
Post.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Stamp. Dark.
Yeah, Dark by Avatar.
Okay. Nice. But what's the painting or the symbol inside of
This
it?
is basically inspired
1A.
from a random stamp.
Okay.
We just saw. We decided to recreate it on it.
So, Mr. Rasdeep, are you planning to make these watches in mass production or in limited quantities?
I'll tell you how we make the watches. Initially, thank you. Initially, it was just me and Orithro. Orithro, they're asking about how we started into watchmaking.
To be honest, we didn't have any plan in particular. ठीक है से? It was a spontaneous project, to be honest. One day I was building watches, and he actually lives near my house, and he came to my house, and when he saw that, and later that day we discussed like it has some business opportunity also it has, and also the market right now lacks customized watches and watches that also reflects our art and culture. So we decided to start as a passion project at first. Then one thing led to another. 9 months later, we have completed like 300 plus orders.
No, actually not 300. It's around 800 plus minimum. Yeah, because we have not counted after 500 to be honest, and that was like 6 months ago.
So, are you planning to like mass produce it or?
See, we have some employees we have kept whom we have taught this whole thing, and they are making the watches as of now. Orithro obviously handles the QC part, as you can understand, right? It's growing, so not everybody can do everything. I handle the marketing and the customer interaction part, how it is going to get launched, how to strategize the whole thing. So we are some of our watches maybe we are planning to mass produce. There's going to be a collection. Yeah, some of them will be. Yeah, some of them will be limited. Like this one, this is going to go. This we are going to close pretty soon. The Victoria Roman, because we have almost hit 100 now for this one. It's close to 100 to be honest.
Like the price?
The price it's 1500 now. So yeah, this one's going to go out pretty soon. This one won't be there anymore. This one, the reason we rebranded the Art Deco Bangla as Art Deco Emerald now, the reason being the old one, the original one, you can actually see that on our Instagram. It's avarta_official. Yeah. So based on that, we decided, since that is going out of stock, however people never stop asking for this, we decided to improve the design and launch it again in a new version. Like, why should people wear only one watch? Why not wear many versions of it?
My favorite among all of it is this one and this one.
Oh, thank you.
Because I myself looking for a tank watch since a very long time.
Yeah.
I really like this one.
This has a very artistic feel, to be honest. It's more of an art piece, to be honest.
You're carrying an arch on your wrists.
Exactly. Yeah, please wear it.
So
Please
as of
take
now,
a shot
you
of
guys are
that
only
too.
selling on Instagram or any other?
No, on Instagram, nowhere else. And we plan to launch our website, and mainly our sales are going to be moving forward via Instagram and via that website. Nowhere else. No Myntra, no Amazon, no Flipkart, nowhere else. And obviously now as we grow, because see, there's no investor backing here. It's all just
your passion and your own
yeah,
hard money.
exactly,
money and-
exactly, and the support of our customers. To be honest, they are so kind. To be honest, and not just kind. Actually, they appreciate it. They appreciate it, and when they wear it, they are like they want to buy again, and again, and again. That's how this whole brand is building up. It's a brand by the people. To be honest, for the people.
Because the people, the customers.
Yeah,
without
because
them,
they are main. We are no one. We are no one to judge what's gonna work, what's not gonna work. People, audience are the ultimate factor. They are the main factor. If we do not care about the customers, they won't care about us. It's as simple as that. We are making it for them. We are not going to wear it. They are going to wear it. They are going to feel special about it at the end of the day. A watch should fulfill that purpose, not just show you time, but give you a time, give you an inspiration for a better time too. That's what it's about.
So, जैसे कि आपने कहा, there are some watches which you plan to launch from here. So, which models?
Archo, which one are we going to launch from here? The Shanghai edition? Yeah, we are launching these three.
And what are the prices?
It's priced at around 1800. Yeah, 1800. And one thing, this will come with a wood box actually. We are giving that out too.
So, दोस्तों जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये जो 3 watches है from the
This one's going to be a bit pricey though.
Okay,
This one's gonna be, this one is 1800, this one is 2, this one is 2.2. That's the range we have
ये
kept.
3 वॉच आज एवर्टा जो वॉच ब्रांड है फ्रॉम कलकत्ता, ये अभी हम ये ग्राउंड से वो लॉन्च करेंगे, द बांग्ला शोंखा एडिशन,
Yeah.
1800, 2K and 2.2K.
Yeah.
So Instagram में लिंक तो दिया हुआ है. So if you like this design, देर किस बात का, just जाइए and inquiry and just book which one you like.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Razil. It was nice talking to you. One of the
Pleasure,
best
pleasure,
from
pleasure.
our city.
Yeah.
I wish you best of luck and I wish to see more and more collections in a portfolio.
Definitely. As you can see, these two we have not talked about yet.
Yeah, okay.
These two we have not talked about yet. So you are expecting a banger again from our side within few months down the line.
And ये अश्मित पहना हुआ है the dark from Avatar, inspired from the Indian postal stamp. So Ashmit, what do you feel about this watch?
But
Yeah, it looks amazing. I mean, I have not seen a watch like this. And also, these are made by our own people from Calcutta. And I'm really happy to see that our own people are making these watches and such unique watches. I have not seen such watches for a very, very, very long time. Like look at this, man. Looks so classy. It looks very unique and classy. I mean, it has its own way of speaking to you.
Just wait, let me take a zoom shot of this watch. Shout out to Avatar.
Shout out to Avatar and their co-founders. And also, what's your name?
my name is Rajdeep. My name is Rajdeep.
Mr. Rajdeep has shown us these beautiful watches, and thank you so much for talking about your brand and your company.
So friends, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, हम सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं, all the watch collectors, including the co-founders of the Avatar watch company from Calcutta, and here are all the watches displayed on the ground beautifully. कुछ watches मैं लाइफ में पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. A lucky day to be honest for a watch lover, and yeah, that's it. वीडियो अगर अच्छा लग रहा है तो एंजॉय करते रहिए, लाइक करते रहिए, देखते रहिए. अश्मित कैसा लग रहा है? सोमेश कैसा लग रहा है? बढ़िया लग रहा है ना? सोमेश का पहना देखा? अरे शिट, सोमेश का वो उधर रख दिया है. यहाँ पर है मिस्टर शोना बोश. So अभी हम लोग उनका वॉच कलेक्शन देखेंगे. So Mr. Shonamo, can we start with the collections? ये इनका वॉच कलेक्शंस है. So let's start.
এটা একটা টিসো আছে
Okay.
দিস ইজ এ কোয়ার্টজ ওয়াচ
Okay.
and this is my daily diver actually.
Okay.
It has sapphire crystal and
Okay.
100 meters of
I
water
think
distance.
it's priced around 11, na?
Huh?
It's priced around like 11,000.
No, I purchased it for 8,000
Okay, 8,000
on sale. MRP is like 11-12,000.
Okay.
This is my daily diver because it's compact size and 100 meters. It has 100 meters of water resistance and sapphire crystal.
Okay. Next,
This is a rare watch from Alwyn. This was a Hyderabad-based state government-owned company. They
Okay.
stopped production in 1999,
Okay.
and it's a mechanical hand-winding watch that uses Seiko proprietary movements.
Okay.
It's a 34 dial. It's very rare watch to find this watch in this good condition.
Okay. Okay. And this one is obviously the Triple Crown from DWC.
This is also a watch that is not available in India. This is the
Okay.
Casio F91W Gold Trim version.
Gold trim
Never
version.
launched in India.
Okay.
This I purchased from Japan.
You went to Japan and
No,
purchased it?
Japan Amazon website.
Okay, Amazon
I
website.
imported it.
Okay. Okay.
This is the Timex Expedition
Yeah. Okay.
and the Casio Duro with the Marlin Fish logo in it.
Is this a 230?
What?
No. It's a Duro, right?
Duro. Casio
Duro,
Duro,
yeah, Duro.
with the Marlin logo.
Okay, Marlin. Yeah, Duro Marlin. Yeah, beautiful.
Marlin logo.
And this is the G-Shock
Mudman.
Mudman. Okay.
And this is a Citizen Eco Drive watch that is inspired from the Odis Big Crown pilot watch. And this is the Timex Marlin automatic.
इसका भी क्या वो acrylic glass ही है?
Acrylic glass.
Acrylic glass.
Marlin series में सारे watch acrylic glass के ही आता है.
And this is the Tissot. Can you talk more about it because I'm really seeing the Tissot.
It's a basic Tissot quartz watch I purchased during sale for around 14,000. It's a basic quartz watch. The MRP was around 29,000. I got a with card discounts combined. I got a 50% off, and it has sapphire crystal 316 L grade stainless steel. The only downfall is it has only 30 meters of water resistance.
But it's a dress watch.
Yes,
You
a
don't
dress
expect it to be
50 मीटर होता तो ठीक ठाक
भाई
था.
अब DWC टेरा भी आपका
30 मीटर ही है.
वो टेरा देके टाइटन देके वो 30 मीटर दे रहा है. इनफैक्ट इवन दो इट्स अ फील्ड वॉच,
Yes.
a watch which is meant for outdoor activities is having 30, so ये being 30 is not
This is one of my special watches. This is my grandfather's watch, late grandfather's watch. It was made in 1980. It's a HMT Jubilee hand-winding watch, and it's actually a special edition watch because my grandfather used to work in the Calcutta Tram Company,
okay.
and here it is written as CTC, it's Calcutta Tram Company.
Man, that is really rare.
And during the centenary year of 1980,
Yeah.
on the 100 years centenary year happened,
Okay.
every employee of CTC got this watch gifted by their company.
So it's a generational timepiece.
Yes, it's almost 50 years old.
Oh my god.
It's from 1980. Here it is written 1980.
I'm actually into these watches जो आपको easily मिलेंगे नहीं भाई हाथ में. Next, let's see what he has.
This is a Timex Tiffany blue dial that is inspired from the Rolex Day-Date watch.
Oh yeah.
It has Cyclops and it's very much, you can see the design language is inspired by the Rolex Day-Date.
Yes.
And this watch I purchased in 2025. I actually was looking for a watch that will have the Cartier tank vibes
Okay.
in budget.
Okay, I think is this the HMT?
HMT quads.
HMT quad.
Nothing aftermarket. It's
नहीं,
completely
what's the
factory.
model name? I guess.
I don't remember the model name exactly, but
मैं भी भूल रहा हूँ ये वाला. Okay, HMT quads.
HMT quads watch and
Tank style.
tank style.
Cartier
it is
tank style.
Cartier tank style.
And ऊपर से Roman numericals.
Roman
मैंने-
numericals. Exactly like the Cartier model.
Exactly. Okay, let's see what's next.
This is my HMT Sati watch. It's also all factory made. It was purchased in 2023, early 2023. This is one of the last batch watch that HMT used to purchase mechanicals. After that, they stopped making mechanicals. This is one of the last batch.
No, they launched the pilot automatic at
Automatic, not
Not
mechanicals.
the mechanical.
Not
Yes,
mechanicals.
yes.
They have completely stopped making mechanicals. This comes with the transparent caseback factory fitted.
Okay, so it's not aftermarket.
No, not aftermarket. Nothing is aftermarket.
HMT Sati.
Only the strap is aftermarket.
Okay. Okay, let's see the next one.
This is HMT Janata Milky White.
Okay, is this aftermarket or
No,
OG?
everything original
Okay.
except the strap.
Okay.
Everything is original. This I purchased recently in December from a seller,
From a sale.
from a reseller. This is one of the most iconic models of the HMT Janata.
Okay.
It's a milky white in color, and this is the last piece.
Oh my god.
This is the Casio Moonface watch.
Casio moon phase. Okay.
I got a good deal on this. The MRP was around 7,500. I purchased it for around 5,000.
Okay. So nice to see your collection.
Thank you.
And you know, यहाँ पर रियल वॉच enthusiasts आए हैं instead of some people जो स्मार्ट वॉच मैंने खुद को बोलते हैं भाई हम तो like कौन जैसे. So Mr. Sonabo, do you have an Instagram or a Facebook or?
I have a Facebook account, but don't use Instagram.
Okay, do you showcase your like watches there?
Yes.
ओके सो उनका फेसबुक का लिंक अभी नीचे ये फ्लैश हो रहा है, आप जरूर जाकर उनका कलेक्शन चेक करना. एंड नाइस टू मीट यू. एंड अभी हम लोग आते हैं आपके फेवरेट मेरे दोस्त अश्मित भाई के कलेक्शन में. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन. HMT Kohinoor Maroon Dial Sunburst Quads from the OG Bangalore showroom. जो उन्होंने आज से लाइक 6 मंथ्स पहले खरीदा था.
वारंटी के साथ.
यस, वारंटी के साथ है ताकि आपको डाउट ना हो.
एकदम बॉक्स के साथ.
बॉक्स के साथ लाया है. यस, एंड फिर द Casio OG World Time. यस, मेरे पास ये वाला गोल्ड वाला है, इसके पास ये सिल्वर वाला है. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज my god, one of the best looking watches ever. 2980 2925 and or 2529. It's 2925. Yes, and it's amazing because you can see it's a chronograph watch. बहुत जल्दी इसका एक dedicated shorts video भी मेरे चैनल में आने वाला है. So beyond that, Ashmit, nice collection, dude. Nice collection. So now I have Mr. Akash here. And let's see his collection one by one. A quick walkthrough, a quick go through. Yeah.
Okay, so these are some of my collection. Start with Addis Dive Sand Dial, then I have Color Worldly Art, then I have Addis Dive 2539. This is one of the most beautiful watches that I have.
Addis Dive is killing it.
Exactly, bhai. Okay, this is Casio waffle dial. Looks a lot like Tissot PRX, and this was actually an anniversary gift that I got from my partner. Invicta Pro Diver. I guess everyone knows about this watch. The best entry level automatic. Exactly. This Edifice 640D, ये ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा AP का जो क्रोनोग्राफ है उसके तरह लगता है. सो आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वॉच. इसका जो एक दूसरा कलर है शैम्पेन कलर, सैल्मन आई गेस बोलते हैं उसको. आई वांट दैट एज वेल. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर दैट वन एज वेल. This is Seiko Dress KX, and I have this one as well. This Dress KX and SRPD has just only one difference, that is this bezel. This is the same watch, just without the diver bezel. This is G-Shock 5610 SU. Then I have Casio Youth 620D. Then I have legendary MRW 200H. I have G-Shock GA 2300. Then I have a watch from recent HMT launches, HMT Tariq Quartz. I have, this was a birthday gift that I got from my partner. This is Titan Karishma Zing. This is my father's Seiko 5. So this is my father's Seiko 5. This and this, these two are my Seiko 5 that I bought. And you can see, मतलब ये भी जैसा चल रहा है, ये दोनों भी वैसे ही चल रहे हैं. So that's the beauty of Seiko. This again is my father's HMT Gotham. I absolutely love this watch, and this looks very beautiful with ethnic and exactly. This is very beautiful watch. This is an aftermarket HMT Kohinoor with transparent bag. This is a mechanical watch. Now this is very special. This is almost 70-year-old. This is my grandfather's Favre Luba Sea King. This is a Swiss-made watch. It's a mechanical watch. This is very beautiful. Yeah, it's a Swiss watch. Yeah, so this is Titan Karishma again. This is a tank watch, only tank in my collection. I'm not a very dressy guy, so I do not like buy many tanks. But yeah, these are some of my collections. And if you know me, if you do not know me, but follow me, I guess you will find the link in the description. I have a watch review channel named Watchmate. Go follow me. I post reviews every Sunday. So yeah, see you there.
So now मेरे पास है ये Mr. Kodi Babu, and let's see through his collection quickly.
So the first one that you can see, I believe many have seen this. This is a Timex Marlin automatic. This is one of the vintage pieces that Timex has released, and I'm a guy who like to actually change straps. So I have got a custom strap attached to it, along with a butterfly deployment type buckle. This is gold one because of the indices, and this is powered by the 8215 by Miyota.
Okay.
Next one. Next one here, actually, this is one of my most cherished pieces. Reason being, this is my first automatic that I got. This is again from Timex, and it's a skeleton watch. As you can see, this has got bronze gold indices, and this comes with a Miyota 82S0 movement with an exhibition case back.
What are the white one?
Well, this again is another beautiful piece. This is again from Timex because I actually like watches from Timex. So I've got quite a
They are
few
killing
watches.
it. They are killing
They,
it.
they are. They actually
And
are
at the
killing it.
price point, dude, I mean, it's like, man,
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah,
really
yeah,
true.
yeah.
But yeah, they're really making some wonderful pieces right now. So yeah, this is one of them. This has got rose gold indices, once again powered by the Miyota 82S0, and it's got an exhibition case back, and again paired with a custom suede strap this time.
Yes.
With a rose gold buckle.
okay. The next one.
So next one, this is actually an HMT, but this is not really HMT. Now, why is it so? This is actually a mod. As you can see, if you look at the dial is also custom made dial, custom hand loomed, and this is actually got my name on it. So my name, which is Annie, so that is actually showing here.
So from where did you like do this? Like where did you like customize it?
So yes, his name is Gautam. His name is Gautam Haryani. He's from Bombay, and he does some really good pieces. There were some inputs given from my end as well here, and specifically with the hands. So he actually delivered. So I love this one.
It's a beautiful watch. It's a beautiful watch. It's a mod done correctly.
That is exactly what I how I would put it.
Next one is the
Next one. So this is the Kala Wally edition terracotta. So Kala is actually a brand that have recently introduced their first watch, which is this, and I love it because it actually highlights the Worli tribe. So if you look at the back side of it, you see that a Worli style peacock is actually embossed on the back, and this is a beautiful piece where on the dial it reflects the Worli tradition throughout, and this specific dial is known as a terracotta dial. So this is a lovely timepiece, and this is one of my favorites in the collection.
okay. The next one
Now moving on.
and the last one.
That's right. Okay, so this one, I would like to ask you what you see in it. What's something that's not common with this particular piece?
The dial, maybe, I don't know.
Okay, just one hint. Take a look at the hand.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'll tell you, this is actually a quartz mod that I made.
Okay.
This is something that I have built. So I have sourced parts from the local market here in Kolkata. And this dial and the case that you see, the case is actually an original one. I do have my doubts about the dial, but it does seem to look like an original. But this is a mod, and this is a build that I have made. It's the first build that I made, and it took me about 9 hours and a few more hours to build it. This is the first time that I was doing it, and I feel really happy to have.
So do you have any plan of launching a lineup of your own?
Well, not yet. I probably might do something in the future, but right now I'm just in the learning phase.
Well,
That's all I
definitely
can say.
look forward to it.
Absolutely.
So yeah, yeah. One by one, I'll interview. What's on your wrist? So, Mister.
So my name is Onindo. So you can also call me Gori Babu.
Yeah.
And today I'm actually wearing a Timex Marlin. This is a 40 Panda chronograph, which is powered by the Seiko VK63. I have paired it with a red strap with cream stitch, as you can see, along with a custom buckle. This is a rose gold deployment type buckle because I like changing straps. So that's why this is what I'm wearing, and I love this piece. So that's it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Now I have Mr. Shaunava Bose here, and let's see what is his on his wrist.
This is the Seiko SRP 57, also known as Seiko dress case. I purchased this in 2024, mid 2024.
Nice watch indeed. And अभी तक तो मेरे पास Seiko है नहीं, but maybe I'll get inspired from it and buy one because Seiko is something which every watch enthusiast must have. Thanks. अब मेरे साथ आप लोग के पसंदीदा भाई सोमेश भाई बहुत देखे वीडियो में. लेट्स सी कि आज अपने रेस में क्या पहने हुए हैं. सोमेश.
Yes, so this is basically this is the HMT Kohinoor Quartz variant Sunburst Maroon Dial, which I got from Bangalore outlet.
Yeah, and a rare watch indeed. And ये basically मतलब ऑनलाइन साइड में उतना मिलता नहीं है. सो अगर बैंगलोर के आउटलेट में कोई जा पाए, जस्ट गेट हैंड्स ऑन दिस बिकॉज पता नहीं HMT कब बंद हो जाए. So yeah,
Delhi
next.
बंद हो जाएगा.
अब भाई वीडियो में अश्मित भाई आ गए हैं, the owner of the X-Pulse and the owner of the Aris Dive AD2529. So Ashmit, enlighten me on this watch.
Enlighten you.
Yeah.
What's there to enlighten? The watch will speak for itself. Look how beautiful it looks. मैंने इसका स्ट्रैप चेंज करके लेदर कर दिया है. ओरिजिनल नहीं है ये, बिकॉज मेरे को समथिंग स्टेल्थी चाहिए था, नॉट समथिंग दैट
Too flashy.
जो अटेंशन सीक
Yes.
करे, समथिंग दैट अर्न्स दैट अटेंशन. सो the watch itself looks very good. ये NECA quartz है, as you can see the second का hand इतना smoothly flow कर रहा है.
Yes, exactly.
Let me just
Show the chronograph.
chronograph चल रहा था, अभी pause करके.
Reset.
Okay,
So
now I also have one more watch. ठीक है, अगर ये काम नहीं किया तो थोड़ा flex मारने के लिए, ठीक है,
the pocket watch,
pocket watch.
you'll feel like a peaky blinder by wearing this. Okay.
तो like just try it. आप एक बार try करो ऐसे करके.
Okay. The One Piece edition pocket watch off to Grand Line. If you want to become the king of pirates, you must wear this watch.
What
okay?
if this is one piece?
What if this is the One Piece? Oda, I'm watching you. Okay. So now we have one of the co-founders of Avatar, जो आपने देखा इस वीडियो के पहले, and here he is one of the co-founders, Mr. Orithro, and let's see what he is wearing today.
This here is Citizen EcoDrive Skyhawk. It's a pilot watch as well as a vault timer, and it's one of the earliest model of EcoDrive that comes with also tachymeter feature, vault time feature, 3 alarms, and countdown timer. And also it also shows UTC at the same time, and the bezel here is quite different from the typical tachymeter you can get.
Yes, exactly.
This one actually shows the nautical mile. Yeah, it's actually a pilot watch. That's why it uses a different type of bezel. You can also calculate the amount of fuel you are having at that time in your flight, in your plane.
Okay.
Also the distance you are covering right now. Also lots of details.
It's like the 99 in one watch. So many functions.
Pilot watch.
If World War 3 happens, you're gonna like wear this, okay?
Yeah, and
telling you.
also it's a JDM exclusive watch. You can't get this one you can't get this one in India actually.
Okay. So a really cool and exclusive watch, and first time मैं एक pilot watch देख रहा हूँ ऐसा, because from far it looks like a diverse watch because ये इतना मोटा bezel है. पर कोई ना, आज कुछ नया जानने को मिला, इसलिए तो
नया देखने भी मिला.
देखने को मिला, जानने को ही मिला.
Yeah, it's a chunky boy,
And you
actually.
see थोड़ा sunlight hit करने से थोड़ा dial कलर देखो वो purple violet भी हो रहा है.
हाँ, वो मैंने
Yeah, actually the dial itself is solar panel here.
Oh, so it's solar powered.
Yeah,
Oh, it's solar powered.
like I
Okay.
said, it's EcoDrive. It's
Okay.
EcoDrive. One of the
Okay.
first EcoDrive that they ever made.
Okay. So yeah, unique watches. So thank you, Mr. Orithro, and good luck to you for your brand Avatar. So now we have the initiator of this watch meetup, Mr. Akash. His YouTube channel is down below. What is the name of the YouTube channel?
Yeah, so the name of the channel is Watchmate. I basically do watch reviews, and this is the first watch meetup that I arranged. And to be honest, initially it was just an idea that came into my mind, but these are the people who made it possible. So thanks to all of you, this
Yeah.
is happening, and we will be doing this continuously.
More often.
So yeah, so
Yes,
if you are watching, you're also welcome.
So now let's see what is he wearing today.
Okay, so I'm wearing this Seiko SRPD Diver today, and I absolutely love this watch. This comes with a rotating bezel. It has Seiko 4R36 automatic movement with hand wounding and hacking features in this beautiful green color. And I love Seiko so much that I bought this, and even this case, which is almost similar without this bezel. Actually, this everything is similar. So yeah, that is what I'm actually wearing today.
Okay, so thanks Akash for arranging this, and we look forward to more meetups in the future. Okay?
Exactly.
Subscribe to his channel and subscribe to my channel too. Yeah. So now we have Mr. Rajdeep.
Hello.
Again, one of the co-founders of the Avarta watch company from Kolkata, and they are doing a great job. And today in this watch, he's going to showcase a timepiece from his own brand. So can you please talk about it?
Yeah, so this is called Nishiki, inspired from the mountains of Japan. As you can see, we have kept it completely authentic, representing the Japanese culture. We have also given the numerals in kanji, the script which Japanese people follow. And this whole artwork, it's designed by us. As you can see, it's a fusion, A of the mountains, B of the forests, then the rivers. So to give it a complete dress watch feel, but also reflect the heritage of Japan, we have just taken a part of it, and it is actually, the whole painting is kind of inspired from the ukiyo-e style of paintings.
Okay.
It's an ancient art of Japanese paintings.
And is it also dome crystal, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
dome crystal. Obviously, there's leather belt, as you can see, in emerald color, because we think this aesthetic actually goes perfectly well with this strap. And obviously, there's this crown, and this is a obviously PVD brass case, a high quality PVD brass case with a Miyota movement, Miyota 2035. And the hands here, these are Breguet hands. This we have decided to add only for this one, since we want to have it a dress watch feel, but also have something interesting to show, not just a watch. It's a very interesting timepiece. So hence we have named it Nishiki.
So yeah, that's it. And a lot more watches in the portfolio. You must go to the Instagram page. The link is below. Go to and just look into that portfolio, and if you like, just buy it.
Yeah, I mean,
And-
I cannot see the Instagram link, but I'm just saying that.
yeah, it will flash on the screen. So
Exactly.
thank you, Mr. Rajdeep, and
Sure,
good luck
sure.
to your new endeavor.
Yeah.
We want to see more of your collections.
Sure, sure.
And I hope अगर बाद में अगर possible हुआ तो एक brand मेरा channel और आपका brand collaboration हम लोग कर सकते हैं.
Sure, sure,
Definitely.
sure.
Thank you. अब मेरे वीडियो में I have with me Mr. Vibhu Saurav Banerjee, and he also has an Instagram and social media page. Links screen में flash हो रहा है. So Mr. Vibhu Saurav Banerjee, let's see what are you wearing on wrist today.
So today I'm wearing a watch this was my latest purchase. This is the Timex Q chronograph, and this has a very unique vintage feel. This has a very vintage kind of look. So I saw it in a store here in Mumtazuddin. And by the way, about Mumtazuddin, I was watching a video on Radha Bazaar. Then I saw his video. So he was showing Radha Bazaar and all the stores, and he went into Mumtazuddin. From there, I came to know about the store. Then I saw it on Google, and then went into the store and bought one. or
Quick
two
question: Are you a
watches.
subscriber?
I don't remember.
Okay.
I have to check.
Okay. Just, okay.
But
okay.
if I'm not, I'll surely
Okay.
subscribe.
So
Because at that time it was a random video. So today when I saw him, I have seen you on YouTube. So,
So-
thanks to him, many people like us have came to know about Radha Bazaar, because in his video he has given a lot of information.
yeah, and it's also like became very viral too also.
Yes.
Yes. And भाई मेरे वजह से आज ये watch पहन रहे, so मुझे बहुत अच्छा feel हो रहा है. That मेरे वजह से कुछ तो एक अच्छा हुआ है, and a beautiful watch indeed. And what was the can I ask you the price of this watch?
I think the price of this one is how much? 15,995 or 16.
Okay.
16,000, roughly 16,000, but on discount you can get it on like 14 and a half. But
Very-
right now my watch style has changed. I'm more into vintage looking reissue kind of watches.
Exclusive ones, rare
Yes.
ones. Yeah.
Yes. So watches which looks a bit unique and has kind of like made in the 60s kind of style, 70s kind of style. So this is also like that.
Okay.
So thank you for featuring me in the video, and do the great work. You're doing a great work. Keep making the videos.
Thank you, brother. And
Yeah.
thank you for being in the video too.
Surely.
So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you liked it, and it was the first time I came to a watch enthusiast meet in Kolkata, arranged by Akash, and सब लोग यहाँ पर आए. सब लोगों को शुक्रिया यहाँ पर आने के लिए. अच्छा लगा, कुछ जानने को मिला, कुछ सीखने को मिला. यही तो हम लोग चाहते हैं. and beautiful collection by all of them, and we want to have this more often in the future. We will, right? Yes, exactly. And we also have the team of the Avatar watches. So yeah, shout out to them for their new endeavor, their new brand. Best of luck to you guys, and we wish to see more of you. So yeah, nice meetup. More in the future coming soon. Stay on this channel and do subscribe to my channel for more. It's Triple X. I'll see you later.
वेलकम टू द स्पेशल एंडिंग ऑफ द चैनल। आज हम लोग आ चुके हैं मैदान, समवेयर नियर एलियट पार्क, बट ये एलियट पार्क नहीं है, पता नहीं हम लोग कहाँ पे है। ठीक है, मेरे पीछे एक पहाड़ है, हम लोग पहाड़ में जाएंगे। पहाड़ जाने से पहले मैं आपको 42 सैमसंग S24 का कैमरा मैं दिखाना चाहूँगा आप लोग को। जूम देखिए गाइस, जूम देखिए। ठीक है, मैं लोगों पे जूम करके नहीं दिखाऊंगा, ये पंछी जा रहा है और वाह पंछी गया। ठीक है, वहाँ पे एक और बिल्डिंग है। वाओ गाइस, देख रहे हैं आप कितना ज़्यादा जूम है इस कैमरा में। ठीक है, लो पे जूम नहीं करूँगा, राइट टू प्राइवेसी गाइस। ठीक है, ये एक्चुअल बिहाइंड द सीन्स हो रहा है। यहाँ पे आप प्रॉपर देख सकते हैं, ऐसे वॉच मीटअप हो रहा है, मतलब सब बढ़िया से वॉच दिखा रहे हैं एकदम। ये भैया लाए अपना लेदर पाउच लेडिकेनी, मस्त कारपेट वारपेट पाथ के एकदम बढ़िया से। अभी तो ये पैकिंग वैकिंग चल रहा है यहाँ पे, एकदम टिश्यू पेपर लगा के। ठीक है, ये हमारे साथ है समेश भाई अपना कलेक्शन लाए नहीं, लेकिन और देवज्योति भैया अपना एक्चुअल कलेक्शन नहीं लेके आया। ठीक है, जब जिस दिन लेके आएंगे उस दिन समझ में आएगा कि देवज्योति भैया का वैल्यू क्या है। और आप देख सकते हैं गाइस मैदान पार्क। ठीक है, आज कोलकाता का शहर बहुत खाली खाली भी था। एक ही चीज़ है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा साफ सफाई अच्छा होता, थोड़ा डस्टबिन वस्टबिन, आई गेस ये डस्टबिन है, नहीं डस्टबिन लगा देते, लोग डस्टबिन में कचरा फेंकते, आई गेस इस जगह और अच्छा लगता, बट कोई नहीं। एलियट पार्क के पास मैदान। देवज्योति भैया पैकिंग कर रहे, बिहाइंड द सीन्स ऐसे पैकिंग होता है। देखिए, दिस हाउ यू पैक थिंग्स गाइस, एकदम बढ़िया से टॉवल वॉल लपेट के ये ले जा रहे हैं। देवज्योति भैया ऐसे ही डाल दे रहे, वो बैग लाया अपना। ठीक है, सुमेश कुछ नहीं लाया, मैं एक थैली में लाया हूँ, ऐसे एक थैली। ये गाइस देखिए, नॉर्मल इसी थैली में मेरा ज़्यादा कलेक्शन नहीं है, मेरे पास 2-3 घड़ी है। वो गाइस घोड़ा जा रहा है, इसके साथ बाद में मैं एक फ़ोटो लेने का कोशिश करूँगा। ठीक है, वो हम लोग चैट जीपीटी वाला ट्रेंड है ना, बट वो इन रियल करेंगे। तो दैट्स इट है। देवज्योति भैया आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, आपको कैसा लगा वॉच मीट?
मजा आ गया, और भी होगा।
मजा आ गया
या मजा आ
मैंने
गया।
आपका चैनल हाईजैक कर लिया है।
Okay.
तो ये
hacker spotted.
रियल एंडिंग।
Hello, I am Ajit from. Sorry, hello, I am Robert from Microsoft Tech Support.
I'm Alex from Microsoft Support.
Yes.
ठीक है। तो गुड बाय गाइस, गुड बाय।
Bye.